Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Uphold to your crypto.com. So let's start. First thing you need to do is open up your Uphold app and then you have to click on this transact option from the bottom of your screen. After that, on this screen, you have to click on this select source option. Then from this screen, you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. So I'm going to transfer XRP. So I will just click on XRP account. After that, you have to click on this select destination option. Now from here I have to scroll down and find the your cryptocurrency network. So I will just click on this XRP laser network. But if you are transferring Bitcoin, you have to select Bitcoin network or any cryptocurrency that you are transferring. Then you have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer and then click on this preview withdrawal button. Then you have to paste the wallet address in this highlighted area or your XRP tag. So open up your crypto.com and then click on this accounts option from the bottom of your screen. From here click on crypto wallet and then select the XRP from this list of cryptocurrency. Then you have to click on this transfer button and from this pop-up window click on deposit and then you will be able to get your wallet address and the destination tag. Now you can also select the network if it has multiple networks. So but it has only the native XRP, so I will just select it and then you have to copy this wallet address by clicking on this copy icon right next to your wallet address and then go back to your Uphold app and paste the wallet address in this area. And you also have to copy this XRP destination tag and paste this area in this second box and then click on confirm. And then lastly you have to confirm this withdrawal. So make sure wallet address and the amount is correct and then click on confirm withdrawal. Lastly, you have to select the reason for your transfer. You can select any reason you want. It doesn't matter. Once you do that, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from your Uphold to your crypto.com. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.